So this is Tinker Knob, which is apparently 8,949 feet elevation. And we have a deer here as well, having his breakfast. The sky is absolutely gorgeous from up here this morning. It's all these kind of pinks and blues and purples. Oh, it's just gorgeous up here this morning. The green trees are back. I love the green trees, they're so cool. I'm actually filming on my iPhone now. I had another fall this morning, so I kind of was trying to avoid some snow and ice, but managed to get on the edge of the ice and the rocks, and as I stepped, the rocks just kind of gave way and I went sliding down on my right hand side again. It's always the right hand side, I don't know what's wrong with me. But my camera is in my hip belt pocket here, that one there, and it's taken the brunt of it again. So last time I smashed the screen and dinted it a little bit, but this time it's actually dinted in where the shutter opens by the lens. So yeah, I turn it on and it doesn't open up enough to actually get a view through the lens, unfortunately. So I might be able to try and fix it later. I'm hoping I'd try and get some sharp object in it and bend it back again if I can, or try and remove it somehow, I'm not quite sure. But hopefully I'll be able to fix it. But for now, I'm on iPhone footage, so it's a bit rocky. I've not got any stabilisation going on. So I probably won't film a lot of myself talking unless I'm stood still. But at least I'll be able to capture some views. I think I must be one of the only PCT hikers to actually come down all the way to Donner Pass and then decide not to go to the ski lodge to get a drink or some food. But I don't know, I was coming down, I must have passed 20-30 different people and I had to keep stopping for each one, and oh, it was nice to see people and have a chat, but I think when you've been out on your own for so long, it's a little bit hard to take. So I've decided to carry on. I've got plenty of food and provisions with me. I don't need to go get food or a drink. And I'm going to keep trekking on because there's about another 2 miles until I get to a stream and get some water, and I've been carrying water all morning since last night actually, so I'm keen to get there, and I will just show you what my view currently looks like. It's rather different than the last few days. So nearly out of the Sierra section and the snow starts to melt, the kind of icy patches and scary passes start to fade away, and then the trail brings you new challenges again. It's like it has to throw something in your way every day. It's kind of funny. This is my trail. National Scenic Trail, eh? This is Interstate 80 and I am walking through a drainage tunnel. Well, I suppose they never actually said what kind of scene to expect. It's quite funny. But yeah, actually walking through a drainage tunnel under a interstate. Different. They completely changed. If only they were like this over the last month or so, blimey. I remember being absolutely terrified coming up to a pass, thinking how bad the snow was going to be, how bad the elevation was going to be. And it's amazing to think that I'm about 8,000 feet, I think it is, just under, and there's no snow whatsoever. It's absolutely bonkers, because this morning I was walking through a little bit of snow. But as you can see, it is all clear. This is kind of like the nicest pass ever. So I'm just munching on chocolate. And I was going to tell you how nice it was, but I've eaten it all. But you know what dark chocolate looks like? This is the endangered species brand, and it is the Forest Mint and Dark Chocolate 72% cocoa, certified vegan, and I have just eaten all of it in one sitting. I couldn't help it, it's been a long day. But I needed the extra calories, and per serving it's 170, and there's 3 servings in that, so I'm not perfect. I do like my chocolate, my dark chocolate especially. So I will highly recommend that brand because they do a lot for endangered species as well as it tasting lovely. So yeah, I had to eat it to help the endangered species.